Get ready for a game changer in the world of smartphones. The iQOO 15 is about to revolutionize the way we perceive mobile devices, and it's all thanks to its unique camera ring feature. But here's the twist. It's not just any ordinary camera setup. This sleek device, powered by the upcoming Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 SoC, boasts an LED strip surrounding its camera ring, adding a whole new dimension to its design. Imagine a phone that not only performs exceptionally, but also captivates with its visual appeal. The camera island, slightly thicker due to the periscope telephoto shooter, becomes a focal point with its RGB lightning deco design. But wait, there's more. The iQOO 15 promises an immersive experience with its 6.85-inch QHD Plus AMOLED screen, offering a stunning visual feast. And that's not all. It's equipped with a powerful 50MP main camera, a 50MP telephoto lens, and an ultra-wide camera, ensuring you capture every moment with precision. The battery capacity, ranging from 7,000 to 8,000 mAh, provides ample power for your adventures. And with 100-watt fast wired charging and wireless charging support, you'll never be left waiting. And this is the part most people miss. The iQOO 15's LED camera ring isn't just a gimmick. It adds a layer of interactivity and personalization, allowing you to express your style. With its color-changing back, already showcased in a short video, the iQOO 15 is set to become a conversation starter. So, are you ready to embrace the future of smartphones? The iQOO 15 is more than just a